Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Roblox account is verified and you are signed in. This avoids interruptions. Next, decide the exact Robux quantity you need and whether a direct amount or package fits that target. Make sure a payment method is ready, credit/debit, PayPal, or a Roblox gift card, so you won't stall. Once those prerequisites are set, open the Robux purchase page and prepare to enter the precise amount or choose the matching package to reach your target. Now you choose between entering a custom Robux amount when available or picking a predefined package that totals close to your target. This affects price and fees. Review the final dollar total and any service fees, and ensure your selected payment method is correct. When ready, enter billing details or redeem a gift card code. Pause to double-check numeric values and expiration dates. Once you confirm payment, wait for the transaction approval screen and the Robux balance to update in your account. Finish by verifying your updated Robux balance and opening transaction history to confirm the purchase ID and amount. This proves delivery. If the Robux did not appear, first wait a few minutes and then retry signing out and back in. If still missing, contact Roblox support and provide the transaction ID. Finally, if the payment was charged but not fulfilled, use your payment provider or gift card issuer's dispute or redemption options. These steps resolve most problems quickly when you include the exact transaction details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.